Hi, I'm Kate Voss, and I am a string specialist here at West Music. I am here to show you how to use your care kit for a violin or viola. So in your care kit, you will get a shoulder rest, a cleaning cloth, and a block of rosin. Shoulder rests are adjustable, so make sure that you adjust the feet to fit your instrument. When you're putting on your shoulder rest, check that the curve is facing the top of the violin. Put one side of the feet on and then the other, and make sure it's secure. And you should always take it off before you put it in the case. Whenever you're done playing, you should wipe off the strings of the violin with the cloth that came with your care kit. They're specially made to be gentle on strings and your wood. Just make sure all the rosin dust is off before you put the instrument back in the case. This will help preserve the life of the strings. Before you practice, you'll need to tighten the hair of the bow. You use the screw to do that. Make sure there's still always a curve of the stick towards the hair. It should not be tighter than that. When rosining the bow, you will take the cake of rosin out, put your thumb over the metal piece to protect the rosin from getting cracked. And you just go back and forth about 10 times. And then you're ready to play. When you're done playing, you should always loosen the bow again. Just enough that it's almost touching the stick. And that's all we need to do for your violin care. Thanks for watching.